Hey everybody, Jared here, and I'm with my partner Derek, and today we're answering the question, what does air duct cleaning cost? So I'll go ahead and let you take it away, Derek.
Definitely. So the EPA says that the average cost per system in a home is anywhere from $450 to $1,000. And now that can range because there can be multiple systems in a home, as well as the main price comes from the event count, so like your supplies and returns, as well as trunk lines can play a factor. What you want to be careful of is the guy saying that we'll do a whole home clean for $39.95, $49.95, and I'll let Jared dive into that.
Awesome. So yeah, with those $39 whole house air duct cleaning, I'm sure some of you have come across them, some of you have used them, and it really is a roll of the dice because typically most of those guys are bait and switch. So they say $39, they come in and upsell you. But the biggest thing that concerns me is the fact that these guys aren't certified through NADCA, which from there, those guys will just come in and you don't know, are they going to get the system clean or not? So do yourself a favor, go to the NADCA website and find yourself a provider who is certified by NADCA, and then you won't have to worry about it. And you'll get what you pay for.